Founded in 1985, Relcom has been providing innovative and reliable solutions for industrial applications. Located outside of Portland, Oregon, in scenic Forest Grove, Relcom's close proximity to a hub of Northwest technology development means quick access to complementary services. Relcom has a long history of designing, manufacturing, testing, shipping, and supporting high reliability industrial products capable of standing up to harsh environments and meeting strict certification requirements. Our on site manufacturing provides us with total control over quality. Relcom is certified to ISO IEC 80079 34, which is based on the ISO 9001 2015 standard and is regularly audited by U.S. and international certification agencies.
Relcom is an industrial electronics design and manufacturing company. We've been doing this for over 30 years, and we design and manufacture our own products as well as products for other companies. Relcom focuses on the process control industry. This is an industry that requires the plants to run 24/7. It's a very challenging industry to provide products for. In a process control plant, downtime can cost a lot of money. It can be tens of thousands or even millions of dollars a day. Process control plants also need to be able to operate for decades. Continuously needs to run reliably 24/7. The types of plants that are included in that industry might be oil and gas, pharmaceutical, chemical, wastewater treatment, and nuclear power plants. In this industry, you have to deal with harsh environments, low and high temperature ranging from minus 40 degrees C to plus 70 degrees C typically, or moisture being present. Corrosive gases can also be a problem. The customers require, even in these harsh environments, that the products be very reliable. They need to have a long product availability. So not just produced for a year and then next year it's something new, like in a consumer electronics, but for 10 plus years, the products need to be available as replacements. The equipment is often installed in hazardous areas. In these areas, explosive gases could be present, and the equipment must not produce heat or a spark that could cause an explosion that would hurt people or damage the plant in any way. Relcom has a lot of experience dealing with products that are installed in harsh environments and hazardous areas. We are familiar with and have gotten certifications for intrinsic safety, increased safety, encapsulation, and others from IEC Ex, ATEX, the Chinese CCC certification, CSA, and FM. In order to manufacture our products to these hazardous area certifications, we have to maintain our quality management system to the ISO IEC 80079-34 standard. Relcom has also been approached by companies that need to redesign aging products. We recently had a product that was over 25 years old and facing component obsolescence issues. Was for a temperature multiplexer system. The customer wanted to improve the design, bring it up to date, and add some features as well. And we took on that project, and it is now in production. We believe it's important to maintain contact with the customers and end users to have a successful product. The end users and customers have expectations, and we want to make sure we meet and exceed those expectations. We often will go to an end user site in order to get that input and make sure that the project will be successful. As a smaller company, Relcom can be more flexible and agile. In addition, we're willing to take on projects that a larger company may consider below their waterline or just not big enough for them to be interested in.
At Relcom, we offer a turnkey manufacturing solution. That includes everything from inventory management to shipping to supporting of the product. In 2003, we became certified to the IEC 80079-34 standard, which covers quality requirements for European ATEX certification as well as the global IEC Ex scheme. We also manufacture products for North America hazardous areas, and those are certified by FM and CSA. We are also audited quarterly by both of those agencies. Our manufacturing process starts with inventory management and includes tracing critical components. Relcom is focused on quality at every step of the process. We do in-house PCB assembly, including surface mount and through-hole. After the boards are assembled, we do a 100% functional test on each board. We've developed many of the test fixtures that we use to test the products. After the product passes the functional test, then if need be, it is conformally coated or encapsulated. After conformal coating or encapsulation, the board's assembled into its enclosure. Once the product's fully assembled, it is tested again, functionally and for routine tests that are required by certification. After testing is complete, overlays and labels are applied to the product. We understand how important labeling is because of the certification requirements of the product. At this point, the product is ready for packaging. We place the product in a box along with any documentation that's required. The product is now ready for the end customer. Our shipping department is experienced with shipping products around the world, both to distributors and to our end customers. Just because the product has left our facility doesn't mean our job is complete. We're here to support the product in whatever way the customer requires. If that means answering questions or doing an analysis on a product that has failed, we're here to cover that situation. We want the customer to be happy. We want them to have a good experience with the product and that the product would last for many years.